Good morning, guys. Before you say anything, yes, I did put fake tan on. But I just was getting to the point where I looked like a corpse, like a vampire, and I was like, I can't. So yesterday I did some fake tan. I know, I'm sorry. It had to be done. I feel alive. I really do. I'm about to head out for work. We're having another snowstorm. I love it! Coming down quite heavily. Which is not the vibe, so I'm just trying to bring warmth in summer and spring and tan, okay? But I am planning a little girls' weekend with my cousin in PA. We're gonna go thrifting and get coffee, I think. I don't know what else, but it'll be fun because we're together. And I never get to see her, so Ken, I'm so excited. It'll be a chill little weekend. I just wanted to take you guys along to capture the memories. Alright, I'm gonna go to work. Bye! I'm here, guys! I made it to Ken's house, and we're taking a walk, and we got coffee and a biscuit. And now we're gonna see where the day takes us. Cook for me, woman. What are we having for dinner?
We're having homemade chipotle.
Chipotle, delicious. Rice, chicken. And then Kennedy's making homemade tortillas. She's letting it, is it rising?
It's just setting. I don't think it really rises.
Yeah. I wish you guys could smell it in here. It smells delicious. Look how gorgeous Kennedy's kitchen is. It's so bright. She's just cooking away for me, but it's been so fun. And we're gonna give you guys a haul of what we thrifted later. So keep an eye for that. But until then, I'll see you later.
Yeah, I wonder why it does that.
I love that store because it has like
Intimacy?
Yeah, it has like all the logos. This video is for Brady. I'm safe, honey. I'm safe here at Kennedy's house because Steven has a sword. You need help? That they have swords in.
Wait, how do you get it?
Oh. Wait, there's another one. Oh wait, it has a. Dang. Is this real? Comment below if you know what this is. Don't mess with us. Sick. We're making homemade ice cream. This is how you do it. Garrett County maple syrup. Nothing like it. Not it. I can't even open a bottle of water, let alone a jug of milk. Yay! This is homegrown, raw, healthy, everything we're doing. And it's going to be delicious. That's good.
Make sure it smells fine.
Whoa!
Do you like it?
Yes, it's so sweet.
Is it?
It's done, guys.
Cheers.
Cheers. I'm the #1 guest in this house. Always.
I the first guest you've had stay here?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
You might be the only one willing to sleep on
Maybe the last. I feel like all the clips I've gotten of this weekend is us just going. I have so many Snapchat memories of whenever we would be brushing our teeth at a sleepover and then I peed my pants.
Yeah.
That happens often. Mm-hmm. It didn't happen last night, thankfully. It just looks so fresh and pretty, too. Personal pizza check. Guys, I've had so much fun with Ken. And Steven. Anyway, we've had such a fun weekend. Mm-hmm. It needs to happen more often.
It does.
But we're going to give you a little haul before I leave because I'm about to leave. But we're going to give you a little haul. Mine is a lot.
Mm-hmm. Got a really good size.
I did find really good stuff. So we're going to give you a haul. Kennedy, do you want to show your first thing?
Ooh, it's just a basic.
Is it linen?
Cotton. It's cotton.
Oh, I love that. I got a Phillies hat. It was like $2.50.
Yeah.
And I sent it to Brady and he was like, I don't even like the Phillies, but I still got it because it was cute.
Just a basic t-shirt.
Love it. Olivia's are a lot more interesting. I got this sealed Elvis vinyl. I'm so excited about this coat. I love it. It's like a jean jacket, but it has cute. It's just a little bit different.
Really
it's a little bit elevated than a regular
and
jean jacket.
like longer.
Yeah, but I love it. Balloon sleeve, just little chambray top-ish. Yeah, it's cute and comfy too. It's a beautiful sweater dress that I need to figure out how to tie.
Really cute. She tried it on.
I did try it on and then I asked Kennedy if I should get it and she said yes. I got Brady, even though he's not on the Steelers anymore, I got him a Pickens shirt.
That was a good one.
This really cute swimsuit. It looks like it's never been worn. We checked the pits, we checked the butt, we checked it for stretch marks, and me and Kennedy both agreed that I should take a chance on it. Because I don't have a baby, but I got this adorable little baby outfit. And I got another one because they were both on sale, I think. It's a gingham. For one day. We feed off each other in the baby aisle. We're like, well, let's just get that in place. This Lucky brand.
That was
Beautiful,
really
cute stripe sweater. And
I got a croc.
A beautiful croc.
I might put a plant in.
And it matches these ones that she already has.
Mm-hmm.
And it will go so cute in your adorable house. That's a wrap on the thrift haul, and that's a wrap of my time at Kennedy's house this weekend, which I'm sad.
Mm-hmm. It's been really good.
But it's been good and fun because we don't have often one-on-one time. Love you. Love you. Good morning, guys. As much as I would love to not be wearing a sweater and a winter coat again today, it's 30 degrees outside with a 50% chance of snow and a winter storm warning tonight. It's March 2nd. It is time for spring, but what am I gonna do about it? So I just put on a cozy outfit. I'm about to head out for work into the post office and get my week started. But I wanted to say thank you for watching along my little weekend vlog. Visiting my cousin was so fun and so good. We don't get to really like spend quality time together often now that she's married and is moved away. So I was so happy to just spend a little weekend with her, even though it was quick, but it was so fun. Next week, we are planning to go visit my other cousin in West Virginia. So I'm like loving that March is turning into the month to go visit family on little weekend trips. And I love that. And I need to do more of that because I have free will and a car. So, but Brady gets to go with me on that one. So that'll be super fun. So I'm planning to vlog that weekend too, just for memories. Thank you so much for watching. I think I hit 76 subscribers. Ah! My goal literally for this year, I was like, I wonder if I could hit 100 subscribers. So thank you for helping me get closer to that goal. It doesn't matter how many people are subscribed to me. I just love making little time capsule videos for me. And literally I find myself like going back and watching them and I'm like, oh my gosh, this is what I was doing a year ago. And I just love that. And it's really helped me like appreciate the little moments. Have a great week.